Welcome to WebStyle Press. There is one biggest pain in WordPress developers' life, most annoying thing. Well, I'm happy that I found this solution and I'm sharing it with you. As a WordPress developer, have you ever heard something like go deactivate all plugins and themes and then check if issue is resolved? Man, that is so much annoying. Seriously. As a WordPress dev, you have to install, try themes and plugins, and there are compatibility issues and stuff. You have to deactivate plugins and themes often to debug broken stuff in WordPress. When troubleshooting issues on your site, you are likely to be told to disable all plugins and switch to default theme. Understandably, you do not wish to do so as it may affect your site visitors, leaving them with lost functionality. Fear no more. You can deactivate everything in WordPress without affecting site, users, or traffic. Go to plugins, add new. This is the plugin we are looking for. Health check and troubleshooting. Install now. Activate. Go to tools, site health, and then go to troubleshooting tab. Here is this button. By enabling the troubleshooting mode, all plugins will appear inactive and your site will switch to default theme only for you. All other users will see your site as usual. A troubleshooting mode menu is added to your admin bar, which will allow you to enable plugins individually. Enable or disable plugins individually. Switch back to your current theme and disable troubleshooting mode. But due to how must-use plugins work, any such plugin will not be disabled for the troubleshooting session. Okay, now I am going to troubleshoot this site and I am going to disable all themes and plugins without affecting site for every other user except for the admin. Enable troubleshooting mode. Now see everything gone. This is default WordPress site. No plugins, no themes. And now we've got this button disable troubleshooting mode enabled, and here plugins. I can enable plugins individually. Right now these are disabled for only admin, for me. Themes. This is active. That is default WordPress theme right now. And I can switch to the themes and I can disable troubleshooting mode. So this is this site in default mode. This was the site for me. If I will reload this site, default WordPress site, right? But nothing has changed. Copy. I can go to incognito mode, paste the URL here, hit enter, and here's the normal site in incognito mode. That means for every other user, site is as it was before, like nothing happened. But for logged in administrator, site is this. And here, no plugins, no themes, everything gone. This is because plugins and themes have been disabled for admin only by using cookies. If you ever stuck in troubleshooting mode, you can just clear web browser cookies or restart web browser to disable troubleshooting mode. So this is safe. Very helpful feature and very helpful plugin. So now I can disable troubleshooting mode and the site is back. Plugins are back, everything is back. And here, reload the page and everything is back to normal for even admin as well. And this was in incognito mode. So this troubleshooting button is magic. You can disable everything in WordPress without affecting your website or visitors, and check for theme or plugins incompatibilities or inconsistencies without breaking your site. So this is a must-have plugin, health check and troubleshooting for WordPress. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.